my little divas. Welcome or welcome back. Today I'm in a slightly new setting. I'm on the side of my bed. You guys have been here like maybe a couple times before, but turned around, facing the other way. So welcome to a new angle. Anyways, today I decided we're doing a little something new because I love doing new and random shit on my channel. If you guys know me, you know I'm always out here doing something random. If you're a baddie, you probably are aware of the like indie sleaze makeup genre. Okay, like kind of like smoky eye, like eyeliner, rockstar girlfriend type shit. And I've seen it a lot. I really like it. I've never really been bold enough to try it on myself. So today, that's what we're going to be doing. And I'm going to kind of be winging it, but also showing you guys what I do. So maybe you could recreate it if it turns out good. I need a Pepsi break. Hold on. Wouldn't be a Camille Raye video without soda on the side. Also, don't mind that my mic is charging. Okay, thank you. I watched a couple videos beforehand. I did a tiny touch of research. Not a whole lot. So we're kind of going into this blind. But I'll show you all the products that I use. Okay, I would normally clip my hair back, but I don't want to look bald. So I'm just gonna put it behind my ears. Even though I hate that, like, the girlies know you put your hair behind your ears and you instantly regret it. And this is just an experiment. So you guys are coming along with me to experiment and probably look stupid. So if I look like a clown by the end of this video, sue me, okay? I'm just gonna start with like, no, you know what? Every time I do this, every time I do my face makeup before my eye makeup, I regret it because I end up messing with the face makeup when I'm trying to put on the eye makeup. So we're actually gonna start with our eye makeup. I always see them do eyeliner, which I don't have like liquid eyeliner, which is how they do like the sharp cat's eye reference. Please kill me. But I don't have that. I just have like a pencil, whatever, I don't know. This is the Urban Decay Glide On Eye Pencil. It says it's waterproof. That's a crock of bull because I definitely don't think she's waterproof. I mean, she lasts me, like a couple days usually. Like, it's actually pretty hard to get off, but I definitely wouldn't say that it was waterproof. But I'm just gonna do like line my waterline with this, which is what I always do. So if you guys want to know what I do with my eyes, I do always use this. I'm gonna bring this mirror here. Gravity is working. You guys, I keep seeing those videos that's like me. Oh my god, this fucking mirror will not stay up. Okay, it's just gonna have to go here. They're like me if I had the like pretty girl sense of humor. Please don't ever tell me that I have that sense of humor. I will die because I did not grow up good looking. Like, I was chopped all through middle school, so I definitely should have developed a sense of humor. And if I didn't, someone failed me miserably. I'm gonna have to like look in this mirror to put this on because I can't in the other one, but then y'all are about to see my bad side. Let me just mew real quick, like. Does anybody know a cure yet to keeping your eye from watering when you're trying to do eyeliner? Because this happens to me every time, and it just ruins it. Like, I literally have to sit here like 1,000-yard stare to get it to dry and not cry it off instantly. Also, I've never mastered the inner corner eyeliner. Like, I can never get it to look cute. Like, it always just looks smudgy to me. I look silly. Okay, how does that eye look? Am I serving Rockstar? Okay, I think that's good. Now I'm gonna do the other eye. And we're just doing it messy because if you guys think like Kesha is being precision with her makeup, you're wrong. So we're just slapping that shit on messy. That's how it was born, you know? Like, slept in, worn for a couple nights in a row before you're going out type makeup, you know? I just drew on my mirror on accident with the eyeliner. That's always good. And bro, one eye always turns out better than the other. If it doesn't, bro, teach me your ways, because it always does for me. Like, bro, the corner of my eye just looks messy. Am I tripping? Send in the troops. Bro, I keep smearing it. Okay, I think this is the best I'm gonna get. Dirt and glitter cover the floor. Are we feeling the vibes? Is dirt and glitter covering the floor right now? I feel like it is. So with that, I need to get in the corner more, bruh. I can't get in this shit. Please. Oh, Jesus Christ. I'm gonna give myself a little bit of a wing, which I don't normally do, which is why this is gonna go terribly. Hold on. Did I say wing? Oh, I meant smudge. Cause bro, what is this, bro? I feel like it needs more smudging. Have you guys seen that thing where they smudged it and they just like rubbed their eyes? I'm just gonna do that and see what happens. We're experimenting today, guys. Oh, I feel like that really didn't do much. Let me do it again, hold on. Okay, good, wait, it did kind of make it smudgier. Sorry, I had to start a face card real quick. Then, I'm gonna do some eyeshadow, I think. I don't know, hold on. I need to look up a Pinterest picture. Like, I feel like I need some kind of reference. Because we're just going in blind. Let me not get distracted by Pinterest. Hold on. So, it's a lot of, like, smoky, like, kind of some reds and shit. Like, just very messy. Okay. I feel the vibe. I feel the vibe. This is the palette. I'm using the Morphe Magic Mirror. I think first I'm going to go with this, like, sparkly black. Because I feel like that's what they all have. And we're just going to put it on with our fingers because that's indie sleaze, bro. I'm literally just like dilly-dallying. Not doing this with any precision whatsoever. I never do eye makeup like with eyeshadow ever. So I don't know how this is going to go. I'm kind of like making it bolder on the outside and then fading it in towards the corner of my eyes because then I'm going to do a different color sparkle there. Okay, I think we need like a hint of red. Like I always see them do that little bit of like almost red. Is this the right color? Ah! I just made myself look like I have a black eye. Crisis averted, I think. Like, I don't know. It's always, the way they do it is always so like perfectly effortless. I'm not perfectly effortless. So I kind of just look like a zombie right now. I definitely need more glitter. I told you we needed more glitter. Why do I have a bump on the back of my head? I'm going to use like a lighter glitter, like a goldish, like this one, I think, towards the center of my eye. Well, yes. Oh, that's serving. Okay. Like messy glitter. My neck hurts, bro. Like, I don't even want to know the face that I'm making. Like, probably really scary. I think that looks fine. What do you guys think? Wait. I feel like I need a little bit of glitter underneath as well. And then I'm going to do another little bit of glitter in the corners, maybe. It's kind of serving like euphoria. Do you feel me? Is this feeling indie sleaze enough? Brush. This is an e.l.f. eyeshadow brush. And I'm going to use some of that sparkle from earlier. I'm going to like mix two of them. Like I mixed this one and the bottom one. And I'm going to kind of give myself a wing type thing. Okay. I think that eats down. I think that eats down. Okay. Perfection. Okay, I think we're done with the eyes. Now let me tame my fucking wild ass eyebrows. Let me dig in my bag. I use this e.l.f. Wow Brow for my eyebrows. I like wipe it off because, bro, I'm not trying to have Sharpie brows. That's one thing we can leave in 2016, you know? What is this? Okay, hold on. I have to like lock in on my eyebrows or I'll look crazy. Well, actually, we probably want to make our eyebrows look a little darker because if you do dark eye makeup and then too light of brows, it kind of makes you look cray-cray. I have like no tail on my eyebrows, though. She's got that shaved brow. Maybe she was born with it. Maybe it's Maybelline. Okay, that looks sort of insane. Like, this is definitely out of my comfort zone. I think that looks good. What do you guys think? Are the brows browing? I can't get over this little bit of red that's like smeared under my eye. It's pissing me off. I think the brows are browing. Now what? What do I have in here, bro? Like, I'm digging in this shit. So some like little bit of contour. This random, what is this? Laura Geller palette. Contour, because we got the sharp cheekbones. And then the nose a little bit, I feel. Need that like Edward Cullen nose type thing. My cheeks are looking a little too snatched. They need to be blended. Not trying to look like I could cut diamonds with this, you know? I like it. I like it. Is it serving TikTok on the clock but the party don't stop? Yeah, and my hair is kind of serving like mullet right now, so it's kind of fitting. Okay, I'm gonna do my cheeks. Well, actually, I need to do lip liner so that it can set. I'm gonna use this one. If you guys are on TikTok, you've seen the ads that are like, this is me using the lip liner stain / in shade Nude. It's so good. You cannot live without it. Buy it from my orange shopping cart. I'm not sponsored. I'm not doing this for TikTok shop money. I didn't get sent this, okay? I'm not even gonna lie, I just got influenced by those ads. So, not me biting the hand that feeds me. I don't know. So I'm gonna put this on. Probably very badly. So don't look at me, okay? Well, if it isn't the little engine that could. Now that I really look like a clown. Looks like some sort of gimmick that I've got going on. A bit, even. Oh, I'm just doing what the TikTok girlies told me to do, bruh. Like, don't blame me. Blame them. But bro, the bad thing about this lip liner is that once you peel it off, that shit gets everywhere. I accidentally left some of it in my sink, and it, like, stained my sink for a good while. So, it does get everywhere. The peels do get everywhere. I also can't really smile. I feel like I have Botox. My name is Bella Hadid. I just saw my own hand in the mirror and I thought there was an animal coming at me. So that would be the schizophrenia. Hello. I'm gonna do my, because I was trying to pull the wrong side. My blush, if I could ever get to the point. And I'm just using the Rhode blush in shade Sleepy Girl. Very fitting. But it's like a cute, like, darker purple. I feel like it fits. It kind of just disappears though, like it's not very dark. You kind of have to use a lot. It's her first day on Earth, guys. She's literally 1 day old. Watch out for her, world. This stuff is like weird. Like, I feel like I'm just finger painting. Which, when you really think about it, makeup kind of is just finger painting sometimes. I really do feel like I look like a clown right now. Someone tell me I don't look like a clown. Please. When Fine Shit said he liked clowns, so I pull up like this, like, when Fine Shit says he likes the Joker, like, I should have brought a paper towel, because look at my, why do I look like Wednesday Addams, bro? It's all over my fingies. I think I'm done with that. I think I butchered the blush more than enough. And why do I have this line, bro? This shit does not want to blend. How am I looking, though? Good? Good or bad? I think I need to do my mascara. I didn't bring over a freaking eyelash curler. Whatever, bro. I'm gonna use the Telescopic Carbon Black by L'Oreal mascara. I can't take myself seriously with this lip liner going, but trust the process. I feel like I also should do my lower lashes just a tad. Let me let this dry, and then I'm going to do another coat. I think this actually looks pretty good. I feel like a 6-year-old who just found makeup for the first time. I feel like that's how I look, too. Okay, we're going to do another layer of mascara. Ooh, that kind of snatched. Work with me here. This is going to be such a pain in the butt to get off. The things I do for y'all. I'm just going to take this liner off already. You're supposed to wait like 10 minutes, but I'm impatient. Well, yes. Me peeling my lips off like a snake. Okay. Oh, ow. Hold on now. It gets stuck in like the inner corners of my lips. I look like I I'm a vampire and I just drank somebody's blood. Like, let me look up into the light. Like, okay. You're finished. You're done. You're washed up. I feel like I need a darker lip to go with this. 1 second. My mic, no! Okay, where's the, oh. No! It's stuck to my necklace. Is it? No, first time. Crap. Bro, I can't find the fucking magnet for my mic. I'm not about to do this with you, bro. Come on now. Okay, I don't know what happened. Oh! I'm having an accent too. I don't know what happened to the magnet from my mic. But whatever. Here are our two options. We have brown. And we have this darker red. Brown, red, or maroon. Brown, maroon. Brown. I hope you pick maroon, because that's what we're going with. Hopefully this is the right choice. I feel like we need, like, a bolder lip. Oh. The moment she instantly regretted her decision. I'm putting makeup on right now like I've literally never done it in my life. Like, why am I forgetting how to use this stuff? No! I got on my lip. No. Away with you. Okay. Well, now that stained my fucking lip. I think we're done. Let me fix the hair. Hold on. Now imagine me in an all black outfit. Is it serving or what? Is it giving indie sleaze? Wait, let me get in the light a little bit more. I don't know. Is it giving? Let me know, you guys. I feel like it could have been messier, but I just can't bring myself to be that messy with my makeup. I don't know why. I like to stay in the box when it comes to makeup. So, I don't know. I like this, though. I think it looks good. I think it looks kind of diva. I don't know if I would wear it out, though. Like, I feel like it's too much for me. I almost feel like a red lip would have even looked good, you know? But red is too much on me. I don't know. I like it, though. Let me know what you guys think. It really makes my eyes pop. Like, they look really green right now, which is crazy. My eyebrow, bro. Why has my eyebrow got braids, bro? Looks like it's turning into a fishtail. So, if you guys want to recreate that, go ahead. Probably not, but if you want to, go right ahead. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know if you want to see more like this. I can't drink this or I will get my lip stuff all over it. Let me know if you liked it and you want more like this. I love you all so much. I'll see you next Monday at 3:33 p.m. CST. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it. Kisses. I love you. Bye.